Hello students, welcome to my channel Math Magic. Me Pravish Sarkar. Today we will discuss about Bayes theorem class 12. If my video helps you study, so share my video all of your friends and like it. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, what is Bayes theorem? Listen carefully. If E1, E2, E3 up to En are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events associated with a random experiment, and A is any event associated with the experiment, then we write P EI by A is equal to P E1 into P A by E1 divided by summation of P EI into P A by EI. Okay, where I equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Okay, this is the basic concept of Bayes theorem. Okay, I repeat, if E1, E2, E3 are En are mutually exclusive and exhaustive event associated with a random experiment, and A is any event associated with the experiment, then we can write PEI by A equal to PEI. Here is also PA stroke EI divided by summation of PEI into PA by EI, where I equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Okay, up to n. This is the basic things or basic explanation of Bayes theorem. Okay, listen, see carefully. Now, give some examples. With examples, you better understand. See, first example number 1. Okay, example number 1. Listen carefully, listen the question first. The question is, a car manufacturing company has two plants, X and Y. Plant X and plant Y. A car manufacturing factory has two plants, plant X and plant Y. Okay, plant X produce 70% of the car and plant Y produce 30% of the car. Okay, plant X produce 70% of the total car and plant Y produce 30% of the total car. Now, Plant X produce 80% car are standard quality and plant Y produce 90% of the car standard quality. Okay, plant X produce 80% car standard quality and plant Y produce 90% of the car standard quality. Okay, now the question is, listen the question. Now the question is, a car is chosen at random and is found to be standard quality. So what is the probability that it has come from plant X? Okay, now a car is chosen from any plant that is standard quality and that is taken from plant X. Okay, now see, let E1 is the event. E1 is the event that manufactured by plant X. Okay, E1 is the event car choose from plant X. E2 is the event that car choose plant Y. Okay, and A is the event car choose that is standard quality. Okay, now first probability of E1. Okay, probability of E1, that means 70% car produced by plant X. That means E1 equal to 70 divided by 100. Okay, that means 7 by 10. And PE2 equal to 30% of the car. That means 30 divided by 100. That means 3 by 10. Okay, now listen, PE1 and PE2 are mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. Okay. Now then, PA by E1. Okay, that means a standard cut chosen from plant X. So that is first plant. That is 80%. So 80 divided by 100. So 8 by 10. Okay. Now P A divided by A2 or A stroke E2, that is equal to 90 divided by 100, that is 9 by 10. Okay. Now by using Bayes theorem we can write PE1. Therefore by using Bayes theorem we can write PE1 divided by A or PE1 stroke A. That means we choose a standard quality car that is from plant X. Okay. Now using Bayes theorem we can write PE1 into PA by E1 divided by PE1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 divide into PA by E2. Okay. Now put all the value. See carefully, PE1 that is 7 by 10. Okay. Into PA by E2. PA by E1 that is 8 by 10. Clear? Now PE1 that is 7 by 10 into 8 by 10 plus PE2 that means 3 by 10. Okay, into PA by E2 that is 9 by 10. Okay, so after calculation we get the final result is 56 divided by 83. 56 divided by 83. Okay, look carefully. Now come to the second example. Okay, hope all of you understood. Now come to the example number 2. Now come to the second example. Listen the question first. Listen the question first. Example number 2. Listen the question first. Bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls. Bag 1. See here. This is bag 1. Bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black ball. Okay. And bag 2 contains Bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black ball. Bag 2 contains 4 red and 5 black ball. 4 red and 5 black ball. R means red, B means black ball. Okay. Now, then question is, one ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2. One ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2. Okay. Now the question is, one ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2 and then a ball is drawn at random from bag 2. Okay. If the ball drawn is red, then find the probability that transferred ball is black. Okay. So first of all, there is bag 1 and there is bag 2. In bag 1, there are 3 red and 4 black ball. In bag 2, there are 4 red and 5 black ball. Okay. First of all, one ball is transferred from bag A, bag 1 to bag 2. Okay. That one ball is either red or black, anyone. After that, a ball is picked from bag 2. Find the probability that the transferred ball is red. Okay, find the probability that transferred ball is black. Okay, listen carefully. Again, I repeat the question. Listen carefully. Bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black ball, and bag 2 contains 4 red and 5 black ball. One ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2. And then a ball is drawn from bag 2. If the ball drawn is red, okay, if the ball drawn is red, then find the probability then transferred ball is black. That means when we pick up a ball from bag 2 after transfer, this ball is red, and find the probability that when the transfer ball from first bag to second bag, that transferred ball is black. Okay. Now see their first event E1. E1 is the event, first ball is transferred, that is black. Black ball is transferred. Okay. Okay. E2 is the event, that is red ball is transferred. Red ball is transferred, okay, and A is the event, that is red ball has been drawn from back to, red ball has been drawn from bag 2, okay. Now clear? So first P E1. Therefore probability of event E1. Okay. Event E1, black ball is transferred. So there are 4 black ball. So 1 black ball is transferred. 4 divided by 3 plus 4, that is 7. Okay. Then PE2. That means red ball is transferred. How many red ball? 3 red ball. So 3 divided by total ball 4 plus 3, that is 7. Now check PE1 and PE2 are mutually exclusive event or not. Obviously PE1 and PE2 are mutually exclusive and exhaustive event, okay. Now see PA by E1, okay, that means, see, listen carefully, PA by E1, that means red ball is drawn from bag 2, okay. When event E occur, that means black ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2. So one black ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2. There are 5 plus 1, 6 black ball in bag 2 now, okay. 6 black ball and 4 red ball, that means total number of ball in bag 2 10, okay. Out of 10 ball, red ball is drawn, there are 4 red ball. So 4 divided by 10, that is the probability, 4 divided by 10, okay. Now PA by E2, that means A stroke E2. A means red ball is drawn from back to, and here is 1 red ball is transferred. So after 1 red ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2, there are 4 plus 1, that is 5 red ball. So there are 5 red ball and 5 black ball. Total number of ball 10. So A by E2, that means 5 divided by 10, okay. Now using Bayes theorem we can write, therefore using Bayes theorem we can write P, the question is red ball has been drawn from back 2, okay, and first ball is must be black, okay. Now see, so required to, first ball is black, that means E1, so E1 by A, okay, find the probability, that is E1 by A. So see the formula, P E1 into PA by E1 divided by PE1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2. Clear? Now put all the value. P1, that is 4 by 7, okay, into PA by E1, that is 4 by 10, okay. Then PE1, that is 4 by 7 into 4 by 10 plus PE2, that means 3 by 7 into PA by E2, that is 5 by 10, okay. See carefully, after calculation we get the final result is 16 divided by 31, 16 divided by 31. After full calculation, after whole calculation we get the result 16 divided by 31, okay. Look here, hope all of you understood. Now come to the third example, okay. Now come to the third example, okay. Listen the question first. In question number 3, listen the question first. A man is known to speak truth 3 out of 4 times. A man is known speak truth 3 out of 4 times, okay. He throw a die and reports that it has 6, okay, and report that it is a 6. Find the probability that it is actually a 6, okay. I repeat the question. A man speak truth 3 out of 4 times. He throw a die and reports that it is a 6. Find the probability that it is actually 6, okay. Now this is example number 3. Now we take let E1, then E2, then A, okay. Let E1 is the event, E1 is the event, die shows 6, okay. E1 is the event, die show 6. E2 is the event, die is not show 6, okay. E2 is the event, die is not show 6. Okay. Now A is the event, die, the man reports 6 has occurred. The man reports 6 has occurred. Okay, so there are event 1 die show 6, event 2 die is not show 6, event A the man reports 6 has occurred. Okay, now see probability of event 1, see carefully, probability of event 1 die show 6, all of you know in a die there are 6 outcome, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 show, that means probability of E equal E1 equal to 1 divided by 6. Okay, there is only one 6, so total outcome 6, only one 6, that means 1 by 6. Now PE2, that means die is not show 6, so other than 6 there are 5 outcomes, that means 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 5 divided by total number of 6. Okay, total outcome is 6, so show 6 1 by 6, not show 6, that is 5 by 6. Hope all of you clear. Now next P A by E1, A stroke E1. So listen carefully, the man reports 6 has occurred, that means man speak truth. So how many way man speak truth? So man 3 out of 4 speak truth, that means P A by E1 equal to 3 by 4. Okay, next P A by E2, that means 3 by 4, that means 1 minus 3 by 4, that means 1 by 4, man man tells lie. Okay, that means P A by E1 equal to 3 by 4, P A by E2 that is 1 by 4. Now using Bayes theorem, now listen, the probability, required probability, that means find the probability that it is actually a 6. Okay, so P E1 by A, by using Bayes theorem we write P E1 by A, that means die show 6 and he speak truth, so P E1 by A. Write the formula first, P E1 into P A by E1 divided by P E1 into P A by E1 plus P E2 into P A by E2. Okay, now put all the data, all the value. So P E1 that means 1 by 6 into P A by E1 that is 3 by 4. Okay, then P1 1 by 6 into 3 by 4 plus PE2 that means 5 by 6 into PA by E2 that means 1 by 4. Okay, look, see carefully. After full calculation we get the final answer is 3 divided by 8. Okay, this is the answer. Hope all of you understood. Okay, now come to the fourth example. See carefully. Come to the fourth example. At first, listen the question first. The question is, in question number 4, the question is, a card from a pack of 52 cards is, a card is lost, a pack of 52 cards. From the remaining cards of the pack, 2 cards are drawn and are found to be, both are clubs, both cards are clubs. Okay, find the probability that lost card being a club. Okay, I repeat the question. Question number 4, I repeat the question, listen carefully. A pack of 52 cards, a card is lost. Okay, and from remaining card, 2 cards are picked or drawn. Okay, so find the probability that 2 cards are clubs and find the probability the lost card is also a clubs. Okay, so all of you know in a pack of 52 cards there are 4 types of card and every card 13 number of cards. Okay, so 13 number of clubs card, 13 number of diamond cards, then heart 13 number heart cards, then spade card, 30 number of spade card. Okay, so total number of cards in a deck of pack of card, that is 52. Okay, now listen, there are 3 event. Event 1, lost card is club. Event E1, lost card is clubs. Okay, lost card is club. Lost card E2, E2 is the event. Lost card is not club. Okay, and event A, draw two card, and two card, both card drawn clubs. Two cards drawn, both are clubs. Okay, two cards drawn, both are clubs. Okay, okay, lost card is club. At first event E1, lost card is clubs. E2, that event lost card is not clubs, and A, two cards drawn, both are clubs. Okay, now probability of event E1. Okay, see carefully. Therefore, PE1, probability of event E1. Okay, there are 13 number of clubs card. So out of 52 cards, 13 divided by 52. Okay, lost card is club. That means 13 divided by 52. Event E2. Event E2. Probability of event E2. That means not clubs. There are 13 total 52 cards. Okay. So remaining are 39 cards. Okay. So 39 divided by 52. Okay. That is not club card. Now a two card is drawn. Both are clubs. Okay. Now see carefully. P one thing. P E1 probability of event E1 and probability of event E2 both are mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. Okay. Now see PA by E1, that PA stroke E1, that means two cards drawn, both are clubs. Under the event E1 lost card also club. Okay. So 12C2 divided by 51C2. Okay, see carefully how 12C2, because there are 13 cards, 13 club cards, one club cards is lost, so remaining 12 cards. So out of 12 club cards, pick two cards. How many way? 12C2 way. Okay, now one club card lost, so total number of cards 51. There are total card 52. One card lost, one club card lost. So 52C2. Clear? So after calculation, 12C2 divided by 51C2. After calculation, we get the result is 22 divided by 425. 22 divided by 425. Okay. Now second event P A by E2. That means pick two club cards when another card is lost. Without club card is lost. Okay. That means that event is 13C2 divided by, okay, see carefully, 13C2 divided by 51C2. 13C2 divided by 51C2. Okay, 13C2, that means pick two club cards. How many club cards? That means 13 club cards. So out of 13 club cards, we pick two club cards, that is 13C2. Okay, and total number of cards 51C2. So after calculation, we get the result, that is 26 divided by 425. 26 divided by 425. Clear? Okay. Now using Bayes theorem, required to find the probability picks two club cards when the lost card also are club cards. Okay. Now the required probability using Bayes theorem, the required probability is PE1 divided by A, PE1 by A, that means E1 stroke A, equal to PE1 into PA by E1 divided by PE1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2. Clear everyone? So just put the value PE1. PE1 is 13 divided by 52 into PA by E1. PA by E1, that is 22 divided by 425. 22 divided by 425 divided by P1, that is 13 divided by 52 into 22 divided by 425 plus PE2, that means 39 divided by 52 into 26 divided by 425. Okay, look carefully. Now after final calculation we get the result is 11 divided by 50. 11 divided by 50. Okay, okay. Hope all of you understood. Okay, thank you students.